Okay, sir.
Well, regarding power and its critical levels right now, we echo the call of VECO for the large consumers of power to enroll in the ILP program, because by doing so, hopefully we can avert the rotational brownouts and power interruptions, because this will significantly impact our small businesses, and that is critical to the economy of Cebu, not only in terms of production but productivity in general. So again, we'd like to make a call and appeal that those that are consumers of large consumption, we encourage that be a part of the solution.
So far, pila na ni-commit sa VECO, sir, sa mga program? Wala pa kayo information?
I don't have an idea. And I think there are many who heeded the call.
Okay. Unsay impact ani ninyo, sir, og panalitan kuan gid ba mahitabo ning rotational brownout?
Well, first of all, no production. That is the immediate impact. It will affect production. But the bigger scale that we're trying to look at is productivity in general. Because when you have interrupted momentum, for example, that will decrease productivity. Now we are in an age of IT, information technology. People work from home, or people work in their computers. And essentially, that's a direct impact in terms of power interruption. More important is really stability. The bigger picture is when you have a stable power, or certainty in the things that you do. You can plan better. You can be more resilient, more productive. So that is really the bigger picture. We want to see stability in terms of the basic inputs to production and productivity. And power is that important.
But individually sa inyohang mga businesses, you are urging sa nila, sir, nga mo himo og conservation sa power?
Yes. In fact, we in the chamber are one in terms of not only the program on greener production or greener environment, but personally, I take it upon myself not to waste anything, because we don't have the right to waste anything, whether it's water, energy, electricity, food, or whatever, and it boils down to security, power security, water security, food security. We don't have the right to waste, and that is the advocacy of the chamber. We have to be part of the whole ecosystem and that process whereby we conserve, because that will make us competitive. It reduces to cost savings. It reduces to not only savings in terms of cost, but you conserve your energy into more productive undertakings. And that is an advocacy of the chamber.
So, kanina, sir, ni-mention ka bahig ecosystem, sir, sa inyong speech kanina, sir.
Yeah.
Kumusta ni ang karon nga napahimutan nga ecosystem, sir? For sure, dili pa igo ba? Or dili pa ni mo ay tukma nga?
You look at, say, for example, we have to be specific.
Yeah.
For example, the ecosystem for, let's say, the IT, BPM, and APO, and the whole business process. Not only voice, but we have evolved. Part of the support system, or we call it AKA ecosystem, is the support of the people working in the sector, in the industry. So you have restaurants that are reasonable, accessible, and the like. And we have for them to de-stress. So we have seen the development of the many destinations at the bukid, no, the western side of Cebu, and the beaches. So, not to mention the basics, the infrastructure in terms of voice and data ecosystem infrastructure, like the telcos, etc. So when you make an inventory of all this will have an interplay of the whole ecosystem, meaning the whole value chain and the whole how the thing works, no? Seamlessly. So we want to develop and make an inventory of what is missing, what are the things that we can still improve on, so that we can make the ecosystem more cohesive and more mature. So that is the whole idea. For example, tourism as an industry is part of the whole ecosystem of the IT industry, or even for example, the creative entertainment industry, no? Because you can create stories out of our for example, the activities in this sector, and then you can migrate it into this sector. So the whole ecosystem becomes not only on a per sector basis, but the whole ecosystem in Cebu. That's why our branding is invest in Cebu, prosper in paradise. So we want to have a good balance of this. So that is an aspiration, and at the same time a vision or an agenda that we can work on together, no? Media included, part of the whole ecosystem. A strong media, a strong advocacy support, no? From the media. The fourth branch,
Estate.
Oh, the fourth estate. So part and parcel of the whole building of the ecosystem that we are dreaming of. And now, Cebu, if I go further, from Cebu, we develop that, then it contributes to the whole ecosystem of the country. So we're starting, while we are starting here in our environment, but we have ripple effects to the region, to the other cities, and also nationally, and even globally.